aesthetic crochet home decor ideas. This beautiful crochet flower lamp is a perfect example of aesthetic handmade decor. This adorable crochet tulip lamp brings softness and warmth into any space. This stunning crochet sunflower lamp adds a bright and cheerful vibe to your decor. This crochet daisy lamp is pure softness and charm. The glowing center gives a calming light, perfect for a baby's room or cozy corner. This crochet rose lamp is a beautiful blend of elegance and creativity. The tiny kitten hugging the stem makes this design both cute and stylish. This creative double crochet flower lamp is full of charm and imagination, perfect for adding warmth and personality to your space. This crochet lotus lamp brings calmness and beauty into your space. The bell-shaped flower design creates a warm lighting effect, perfect for relaxing corners. This crochet tulip wall lamp is a perfect blend of modern design and handmade beauty. A beautiful decor idea for minimalist and aesthetic interiors. This crochet rose lamp brings elegance and warmth into your room. The layered petals softly diffuse the light, creating a romantic glow. The sunflower lamp adds brightness and joy to your space. Its warm glow creates a cheerful and cozy environment. This double-layer crochet flower lamp creates a beautiful, soft glow effect. A unique and creative crochet decor idea for modern homes. This vintage crochet wall lamp creates a calm and timeless aesthetic. This luxury crochet orchid lamp is a perfect blend of elegance and handmade beauty. This crochet lily lamp looks elegant and modern at the same time, perfect for luxury handmade home decor. This crochet sunflower lamp brings warmth and happiness into your space. This crochet rose bouquet lamp is a beautiful and creative decor idea. The hidden lights inside the roses create a magical glow. This hanging crochet flower lamp is modern, elegant, and handmade. The soft light creates a cozy and relaxing environment. This crochet bonsai lamp is a unique, artistic, handmade decorative piece. The tiny lights create a magical tree effect. This crochet lavender lamp looks soft, elegant, and peaceful. A perfect handmade decor idea for cozy spaces. This crochet vintage lamp gives a classic and elegant look, perfect for vintage and cozy home decor. This crochet lotus lamp looks calm, elegant, and artistic, so a perfect luxury crochet decor piece for modern interiors. This beautiful crochet flower lamp creates a warm and cozy atmosphere. Handmade crochet decor like this can make any space look aesthetic and peaceful. These handmade crochet flowers never fade and always look beautiful. A perfect decor idea for aesthetic and cozy interiors. At night, this crochet flower lamp creates a soft and peaceful glow, perfect for a cozy bedroom corner. See how crochet decor can transform a simple desk into a cozy aesthetic space. The tiny lights create a magical and peaceful atmosphere. This hanging crochet flower lamp looks modern, elegant, and handmade. A perfect statement decor piece for cozy interiors. This crochet rose bouquet lamp looks magical when it lights up. Crochet decor items can make shelves look warm, creative, and aesthetic. Handmade decor always makes a space feel special. This cozy crochet table setup is perfect for craft lovers. Handmade decor makes every corner feel warm and creative. This luxury crochet decor setup creates a calm and elegant atmosphere. Perfect inspiration for handmade home decoration.